With the ultimate deadline for the PSTN switch-off approaching in December 2025, last September, Openreach announced the stop-sell of new PSTN lines to network providers. This means that there will be no new PSTN lines sold, and migration by network providers to digital voice platforms can happen at any time. This will affect any older alarm systems which are communicating over PSTN, effectively rendering their communications path obsolete, as digital voice platforms are delivered through a router, rather than PSTN socket. The impacts are already being felt by the industry, so it is important to act now, to ensure continuation of critical communications from your estates of alarm systems. Over the years, there have been a number of advancements in alarm system technology over IP communications, including app connectivity, the doorbells and camera integration, and other IoT devices, which add more value and greater functionality to your customers. Get in touch with us today to talk about the benefits of upgrading your estates and providing your customers with more than just an alarm system.